There's one in the train and one behind this green building here. Two in the train, one just went in the train. One's behind the green building to the left.
Holy frig, what a shot.
Oh, he got you right in the knuckles?
Yeah, I can't respawn, huh?
No, I think we're out.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? We are at Atlantica Paintball for their annual Siege of Warsaw winter event. My weapon of choice for this scenario is the prototype Azodin KP 3.5 with the added auto trigger. I also upgraded the barrel to my Freak XL to make sure those shots are on point. For today's objective, our team must retrieve the ammo cache armed with an explosive device at Checkpoint Charlie. The team has designated 2 engineers, and our goal is to escort one of them to the target location B. If up to the task, the team needs to light the fuse to destroy the enemy supply crates. Once completed, proceed to location A for the main objective and detonate the bridge to prevent future supplies to the enemy troops. Let the firefight begin. I decided I was going to cautiously move to secure the area around the first objective. With no engineer in sight, I had to hold the position until proper personnel were available to destroy the supply crates.
They're just past the hot tub up there. There's like 2 or 3 of them.
As the firefight intensified, disaster struck. I double-fed a ball in the chamber and caused a major breakage inside. I reached for my emergency battle swab and gave what I thought was a good cleaning. Turned out to be nothing but a waste of time.
2 by the hot tub. 2 by the hot tub.
With 2 more chops, I knew the barrel would have to be removed to get the marker in working order. I now have to rely on my teammates to give me some cover fire while I fix my situation. With paint pouring from the barrel, my bunker began getting bombarded with shots from every direction. I need to hurry. With every great firefight comes the inevitable end. With a short trek back to the respawn and some time to properly clean my barrel, I'm eager to get back in the action. But with only a few minutes remaining and respawns are no more, my job as a medic becomes priority. A quick head check, and I dive into prone position to avoid enemy fire. He's all patched up and provides me with some helpful info.
Hey, if you go up between those 2 boxes there,
Yeah.
directly to your 12, there'll be a guy.
Okay.
A quick shot to clean the snow out of the barrel, and up the ladder I go. I turn my back in just a second to check on the team, and
There's one in the train and one behind this green building here. 2 in the train, one just went in the train. One's behind the green building to the
Holy
left.
frig, what a shot.
Oh, he got you right in the knuckles?
Yeah, I can't respawn, huh?
as the medic, I have unlimited respawns. But
I
with
don't
less
think
than
so.
2 minutes left, it was obvious the enemy team seemed too strong to overrun, resulting in a mission failure.